Hello, grade 7. This is the second part which we started yesterday when we talk about two parallel lines. Today we want to know what is the relation between the angles and the measure according to the position of the angle. Let me revise with you the types of angles which we studied yesterday. We said that we have alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle, corresponding angles, and same side angles. We said that this part is called exterior. We can say that this one is exterior, and we can say that this region is called interior, and this part is exterior. And we said that we have alternate interior, which we can found them between the two parallel lines, one in the right side and the other in the left side. So we said also we can imagine that it looks like a snake, like this one, 2 and 4. It will be vertical angle, and then alternate interior, and then I have another vertical angle. So if you will start from the starting point and the end point, so we have alternate exterior angles, one right and one left from the side of the transversal. You can make the same in the opposite side. If you will start from here, this one, and then you have vertical angles, then alternate interior, and then vertical, which means we have two vertical, alternate interior, and vertical again. The two angles from exterior region is called two alternate angles. The two angles from interior region are called two alternate interior angles. Also, we talked yesterday about two corresponding angles, which means we have this angle, it will pass this line and it will be in this position. So it's corresponding angle. It's the same side of the transversal, one up and one down. So we will check together now which angles we can say that they are corresponding, like 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 1 and 5, 4 and 8. So this is two corresponding angles. The third type is same side interior angle. So interior lies in this region. So those two angles are called same side of interior angle. Their sum together, it will be 180 degrees. So we have different angle relationship in this figure now. We can, if we want to describe the relation between 1 and 2, so this is two angles, lies in the same line, so it's supplementary from any way. So if you want to talk about 1 and 2, it will be supplementary. Any two adjacent angles in the same line, they will be supplementary. Their measure, it will be equal 180 degrees. So we can say 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 1. So all these points are supplementary. Each two angles or pair angles next to each other. The total angle around the point equal 360. And we add the new angle relationship, which is corresponding angle, alternate exterior, alternate interior, and same side interior angle, and also we can call it consecutive interior angles. Today we will continue. Once we have one angle and we are looking for the rest of the angle, so how we will find the measure for the rest of the angles? If I'm looking for angle 3, now the key for this question is 110. Then if I want to calculate 3, what is the relation between 1 and 3? 1 and 3 vertical angles. So we can say that this angle now equal 110 degree. What about if I'm looking for angle 6? So we will try to find a relation between 6 and any other angle. Is there a relation between 6 and 110 at the top? No, it's not belong to the left. But we have 3 and 6 lies inside the two parallel line and in the same side, which means the sum of their measure should be equal 180 degrees. Then to find measure of angle 6, it will be 180 minus 110, it will be equal 70 degrees. Then this one, it will be equal 70 degrees. So this is 70 degrees. We can find the rest of all angles here, and we can play like we have the snake, as I said. So if you will start from this point to this point to this angle, so 110, it will be where it will be in angle 1 and in angle 3, angle 5 and angle 7. Then 110, 110, 110 and 110. What about measure of angle 2? Measure of angle 2, their sum together 180. They are supplementary. Two adjacent angles rising in the same line. So this one, it will be equal 70. So we can find the rest of the missing angle. So it will be 70, and this one also it will be 70. And those are two alternate interior, and this one is vertical angle. Then in our lesson today, we want to find the missing angle which we want as the question will ask to calculate it. Then now we can say if you are going to write the numbers in the angles, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can note that any even angle is supplementary to odd angle, like 2 and 1, they will be supplementary, their sum equal 180. 3 and 6 together, those two angles equal 180. 4 and 5 equal 180. 7 and 8 equal 180. Then we have linear pair, we have vertical angle, we have alternate interior, we have alternate exterior, and same side. So this is 2 vertical, okay? Odd with odd, 1 and 3, 5 and 7. And also we have an even, 1 and 7 are 1 and 1 and 7 are corresponding angles. 1 and 7, they are not corresponding angles. 1 and 7, they will be alternate exterior angles. 5 and 7 are vertical angle. We will search where is 5 and 7. 5 and 7, yes, they will be vertical angles. Then if I want to find any missing angle for two adjacent angles, you would use linear pair. 180 minus 110 equal 70 degrees.